scratching your face?
Yeah.
Can you say hello?
Well, I'm scratching.
You scratching?
Yeah.
Can you say hello to everybody?
What? I'm scratching.
Okay. So tell them what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna make volcano.
And we're gonna make a calm sensory for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
Can you
need
tell
water.
Can you tell them hi now?
Hi, kids. So.
Okay, so first we're gonna make the non-messy one first, which is his glitter sensory tool. Cover your mouth. So for this one, we are going to use some water.
Yep.
Some glitter, and we're using blue because it's his favorite
I'm
color.
using volcano and this.
That's for later. And then we have some oil. So first, we're going to pour the water.
Okay. So don't spill it.
Don't spill it. I won't spill it.
Okay. That's perfect.
Perfect?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we're going to add the oil. Ooh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I use glitter?
Yep, Mom is going to pour the glitter for you. And then you're going to do the food coloring.
Okay. I'll use this. Now use the food coloring.
Yeah, I'll open it for you.
Yeah. I'll squish it.
No, only one drop, okay?
Okay.
Here you go. One drop for Mommy. Not a lot. One drop.
Okay.
Count it. Good job. Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at that.
There's a glitter going down.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
All right, I'm going to give it to you, and you are going to just shake it, shake it, shake it.
Okay, I'll shake it.
Shake it. Yes, shake it hard. Shake it hard, honey. Like this.
Oh, I can't do that.
Whoa.
Is that perfect?
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Who did that?
Mommy did. Mommy had a little bit of water.
What?
What?
Should we use volcano
this is
first?
what it is. It's just the water and oil with the glitter all over it.
Mommy.
So that seems to like
should we
help
use
him
that?
calm.
Mommy,
Wash my hands.
should we use that?
So what color do you want to make the lava? You want to use pink? I know
Yeah.
Mommy doesn't have red. So,
But
can
I
you
got
show
pink.
them your volcano?
Hmm?
Say, wow.
Yeah. So I broke it.
I know, don't break it anymore, honey. So let's
We
tilt
could buy a
you
new
guys
one.
down.
We could buy a new one.
You want to buy a new one?
Yeah.
No.
Is that the last one?
Huh?
Is that the last one?
All right, Lucy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Don't want to pick
Okay.
here. It's still the volcano.
So, I kind of taped this box, Simon box, or
Yeah.
top ramen box to my
I'm
counter.
gonna hide it. So.
You want to pour this inside the volcano hole?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use it.
Good job.
So should we use this
Not yet.
first? Okay. Yeah.
But we do want just a little bit more. Okay, we'll set that to the side. You add a little bit of soap, dishwasher soap.
Oh, this is going to be cool. Can I use
And
that?
that's what's going to make it like foam.
Can you use this?
So you want to use pink.
Yeah, can you open
Okay.
it? I will
Can you
pour it.
count 2 drops? 1, 2. It's enough. Good job.
Thanks, Mommy.
Thank you. Here, you stir.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
It's purple.
Try again.
Huh?
What color is that?
I don't know.
It's pink.
Pink.
A dark pink. So you're going to want to mix it up. So you add baking soda food coloring and whatever
Water.
dish soap you have, and you want to mix it.
Should
So
we
here
use
you
water?
want to mix
Should we
it.
use water?
Nope, we don't use water.
Why?
We use vinegar.
Yeah.
Because vinegar and baking soda
It's going to
react
go
together.
It's the first lava.
Oh my goodness. You like that game?
Yeah, because first lava is used. This one dinosaurs.
Okay, so I'm going to pour the vinegar in here. And you, Mr. Lukey,
Oh, me?
you
Yeah.
are going to pour it in there and watch what happens. Okay?
Did I do that?
Try again. Put some more.
Okay.
Say, whoa, it's starting to... What is it doing?
It's volcano.
What is it doing?
It's lava.
Can you say it's erupting?
It's erupting. Whoa.
Whoa! You want to stir it a little bit? Or you
Yeah.
want to let it go? Oh, there it goes. There we go, guys. Let's bring you into the close-up. There it is.
It's lava. Can I touch it? I touch it.
You want to touch it?
I can't touch it. You touch it.
I don't want to touch it. It's hot.
You touch it.
It's hot.
That's not hot.
I don't want to touch it. You touch it.
It's gonna burn my finger.
Whoa.
Should we add some more?
Sure.
It's erupting.
Ooh, you want to try a different color?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's...
Can
Whoa, it's still
we
going.
use that?
You want to do blue now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You use it.
Look at it go.
Can I touch it?
Touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
Touch it.
I don't want to.
Touch it. Touch it.
I can't touch it.
Beep. Ooh. I touched it.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Can we have some more?
Hmm?
Can we have some more and put it here?
We're going to do a different color now.
What do you mean?
We're going to make a different color lava. You want to make a different color lava?
Yeah.
We're going to
Blue.
make a different color lava.
Can I dump it out?
Not yet. Oh, yeah, you can dump that colors out, yes.
Can I use
Was
green?
that cool or what?
Can we use green? Should we use green?
You want to make green lava?
Yeah. You want to use green lava? So my
Green
kids
lava?
told me the first lava.
How do you know that game?
Because first lavas, you make lavas by the volcano. You go with some water, but you don't do it.
All right, so let's try this again. So we are going to add our...
Bag of soda.
Good job.
Can I help you?
Of course. And then we're going to add our soup.
Is that for ducks?
You see the ducks on it?
Yeah, I see it. Should we use that?
What color you want to do?
Green.
Green? Okay.
Should we use that?
Yeah, after here. Put 2 drops.
Okay. Boop, 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 boop.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I stir it?
Of course. Let me just wipe it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll hold it. Okay, so let's just stir it a little bit this time.
What? It's green!
Yes, it is. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's green.
Okay.
Me first.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Oh!
Oh! Cover your mouth. Cool.
Now you're mine.
Of course.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, it's cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah, everyone started. They were enjoying it and touch it. Not touch it.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
Ah, hot. It is hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Can we use this?
I want you to add a little bit more.
For me?
For you, my sir.
Wow, that's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's exploding. So kids, do you like it? I'm going to take you down for the volcano and see. I'm sorry. Sorry guys.
Say Lukey Kim.
Bye. Say hi to more.
Silly.
Oh, I can put the blue one.
You put more?
Yeah, I did. Oh, it's a birthday. The boy Baba.
Alright. Say, so we gotta cook dinner.
Yeah. Can I
So-
use? Oh,
Sorry guys, we dropped you. Tell them sorry.
sorry.
Can you say bye?
Bye. Can I have some more?
No, we're gonna make dinner. How about tomorrow we can do some more volcano?
Let's do it.
Yes, start.
Oh, I did touch it.
You don't wipe it on my counter.
Can you hold it for me?
Sure. Okay, wait. We need to move this out of the way. Alright. Can you tell them we'll see you in the next video?
See you in the next video.
Say bye. Wave bye. Wave. Wave bye.
I'm still cooking the volcano.
Bye.